Thinking about learning drums but worried about noise, space, or budget? In 2025, electronic drum kits solve all three. They stay quiet with headphones, fit in a corner of your room, and many kits even come with built-in coaches and play-along tracks to help you improve faster than ever. In this video, you'll see 7 electronic drum sets that are perfect for beginners and home players, from compact practice kits to more advanced setups that feel close to acoustic. All the product links are in the description if you want to check specs, reviews, or the latest prices. Let's get into it. 1. Alesis Nitro Max. The Alesis Nitro Max may be a new kit, but it's right up there on the throne as the perfect entry-level kit. It takes everything we loved about the previous Alesis Nitro Mesh and brings it to a new level. The mesh head gave us a completely realistic playing experience, and we found it to be quieter to the touch than other kits at this level. This alone is worth a look. 2. Yamaha DTX402 K. Yamaha's DTX402 series is suitable for beginners. With years of drum building expertise, we've put together everything a drummer needs to get started. The rubber pads are a bit stiff compared to mesh alternatives, but they feel high quality and responsive. Although this model is quite old now, it still offers decent value for money and features quite a bit in our guide to the best Yamaha electronic drum sets. 3. Alesis Turbo Mesh. The Alesis Turbo Mesh kit is perfect for young children learning to play the drums. This complete electronic drum set features responsive 8-inch mesh pads, 10-inch cymbals, MIDI via USB, and integrated practice tools, ideal for quiet practice and studio use. 4. Yamaha DTX6. Kaosai X Yamaha's DTX6 series really shows what a mid-range kit can do. The 3-zone snare and ride cymbal pads provided the excellent playing feel that most drummers crave from an acoustic kit. We even felt the rubber-padded toms on the least expensive option in the DTX6 series were forgivable. There's so much that this kit gets right, especially where the modules are concerned. 5. Roland TD07 DMK. The latest addition to Roland's TD07 family, and the DMK version of one of Roland's best electronic drum sets, is a very attractive offering whether you're just starting out or getting your gigs underway. It features Roland's dual-ply mesh heads on the snare and tom pads, a clever bass drum pad built into the rack system, and a clean, studio-quality sound that's customizable. Add in the TD07's Bluetooth connectivity and an onboard USB MIDI/audio interface for jamming out your music collection. And I find this to be a mid-priced kit that will last for years. 6. Alesis Nitro Mesh. Alesis Nitro Mesh is an electronic drum set with a mesh drum head that provides a realistic and comfortable playing experience. With 40 preset drum kits and hundreds of sounds, Alesis Nitro Mesh is a versatile and affordable option for drummers of all levels. 7. Millennium MPS 1000. Featuring both a full-size real wood shell and a mesh head, the Millennium MPS 1000 offers beginners a more affordable entry point into the latest on-trend acoustic look charts electronic variety. It includes all the shell and hardware you need to get out of the box and start playing, but you'll need your own stool, and includes an 18-inch ride cymbal, 13-inch hi-hat, and a pair of crashes. If this video helped you out, feel free to like, comment your favorite pick, and subscribe for more gear breakdowns.